Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set up and use AI Select on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, first of all, just enable Edge Panel on your smartphone. Now to do that, just open the Settings app on your smartphone. From here, just scroll down and tap on Display. Now from here, just scroll down. Now just enable this toggle to enable Edge Panel. And once you do that, a small bar will appear at the side of the screen. Now just swipe from the side of the screen and open the Edge panel. Now from here, as you can see, you will have the option for AI Select. Now just tap on it. Now from here, you can circle on anything on the screen. Now if you tap on this icon, you will save the selected area of the screen as a screenshot. Just like that. Now if you tap on the share button, you can share the selected area. And if you tap on this icon, you can copy the selected area. Now if you tap on the pin button, you can pin the selected area on the screen. Just like that. Now if you tap on this icon, you can edit the selected area. Just like that. Now if you tap on the save button, you can save the selected area as a screenshot in your gallery app. Just like that. Now also you can create a GIF with the AI Select. Now if you play anything on the screen of your smartphone, just like that. Now if you open the Edge panel and select AI Select, now if you tap on the three dots over here and tap on Create GIF. Now from here, just tap on the record button over here. Now you can record the selected part of the screen as a GIF. Now just tap on Stop. From here, if you tap on Download, you can find the selected area in your gallery app. Just like that. And this is how you can set up and use AI Select on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.